Structure and functions of kidney. The external structure of kidneys. Kidneys are bean-shaped structures. They are located behind the vertebral column below the posterior of the liver in the peritoneal cavity. Above each kidney is located the adrenal gland, which is an endocrine gland and secretes corticosteroid hormones. From each kidney arises a ureter, which passes downwards and opens into the urinary bladder. The right kidney is slightly smaller and lower than the left to make space for liver. The kidneys are red in color. Each kidney weighs approximately 125 to 170 gram in males and 115 to 155 grams in females. Each kidney is about 10 centimeter long, 6 centimeter broad and 4 centimeter thick. On concave side of the kidney there is a depression called hilus. The renal artery enters at the hilus region and at this point the renal vein and ureter leaves the kidney. Externally the kidneys are surrounded by three layers: renal fascia, perirenal fat capsule and renal capsule. The renal fascia is the outermost layer. It is tough and made up of connective tissue. Perirenal fat capsule is the second or middle layer, which is made up of fat. The renal capsule is the innermost layer. It is tough and fibrous. All these three layers give protection to kidneys. In this picture you can see all the three protective layers of kidney. The outermost layer is known as renal fascia. The middle one is known as perirenal fat capsule, whereas the innermost layer is known as renal capsule. Internal structure of kidney. If we take the frontal section of the kidney, it is divided into three parts: renal cortex, renal medulla, and renal pelvis. Renal cortex. It is the outermost part of the kidney. It is situated between the renal capsule and renal medulla. It consists of blood vessels connecting to the nephrons. Renal medulla. It is the innermost region of kidney. It consists of 8 to 10 pyramids. Pyramids are cone-shaped structures that consist of bulk of nephrons. Nephrons are basic structural and functional units that filters blood and produce urine. The region between the pyramids are called as columns of Burton. Renal sinuses filled with adipose tissues are present in the medulla. Renal pelvis. It is hollow central part of the kidney and it is funnel shaped structure. It is continuous with ureter. It contains hilus or hilum, which is the concave site of the kidney, or depression in which the renal artery and nerve enter. The veins and ureter leave the kidney. Urine drips into the renal pelvis and comes down the ureter. In this picture you can see all the internal parts of kidney. As already discussed, kidney is divided into three parts: cortex, medulla and pelvis. Here you can see all these parts. Cortex, which is the outermost part of the kidney. Medulla, the middle part of the kidney and contains pyramids. Pyramids are cone shaped structures. Here you can see the pink cone shaped structures. They are nothing but pyramids. They contain many nephrons. And the funnel shaped structure inside the kidney is the renal pelvis. You can also see the ureter and renal artery and vein connected at the hilus region of the kidney. Functions of kidney. Kidney performs a number of functions. It is useful in the excretion of waste products, that is, urea, formed during nitrogen metabolism. It is useful in maintaining normal pH of body fluids. It also helps in maintaining water balance of the body. It also helps in maintaining optimal concentration of certain constituents of blood by selective reabsorption. It maintains homeostasis in tissue fluids. Homeostasis means maintenance of chemical composition of tissue fluids at proper concentrations. It also removes toxic substances from the body. It helps to maintain osmotic pressure in blood and tissues.